How do NFTs work? From the previous video, we learned that NFTs are stored in a smart contract and are immutably recorded on the host blockchain. On Ethereum, for example, ERC 721 and 1155 are standards for non-fungible tokens. The standard enables developers to generate these one-of-a-kind digital tokens which represent valuable collectibles, with their values tied to unique attributes and rarity. Due to the immutability of the blockchain, this rarity is achievable. For instance, a contract may be written to generate exactly 1,000 units of a given NFT collection, each of which would have its own unique traits, identification number, and properties, such that any NFT that you purchase would be one of 1,000. The NFT space made a breakthrough in 2021, with the Ethereum blockchain being the first to be widely used. Other smart contract-enabled blockchains, with the necessary non-fungible token tools and support, can also be used to generate NFTs. With the emergence of NFTs, creatives like artists, photographers, and musicians can now enjoy true ownership of their items. This is due to blockchain's verifiability, which eliminates plagiarism, as well as having built-in royalties each time the token is bought, thereby delivering a much more financially rewarding market. Good job! Don't go anywhere, there's still more to learn about NFTs.